I'm a little bit wicked. I'm a little bit wicked. I'll break you down, blow you a kiss, knock you out. That's how it is. I'm a little bit wicked. I'm a little bit wicked.
I can't wait to hear this puppy. It's gonna sound mean. To install this muffler, we're gonna need a few tools. We're gonna need the optional, but a must-have, Ugga Dugga gun. We're gonna need your favorite ratchet if you're not using the Ugga Dugga gun. We're gonna need an extension, a 10mm wrench of your choice, and we're gonna need a 13 and an 18mm socket. All right, guys, come along with me. Let's find out what this thing sounds like. We have them on our website, www.rngperformance.net. I'll have a link down below for you to pick up the muffler you're about to hear. All right, guys, so for this next step, we're gonna need our favorite ratchet with our extension and our 18mm socket. We're gonna go ahead and remove these two 18mm bolts, just like so. Get that one out of there. Go ahead and get that one out of there, removed. All right, so for the next step, we're gonna need our 13mm and our 10mm because we're gonna remove the top of this exhaust mount. We're not gonna remove the bottom. Now they might be a little hard to see, but we're gonna have 2 bolts here holding this mount, 2 bolts here holding this mount. So we're gonna go ahead and use our 13mm socket. We'll go ahead and bring our muffler over here. And I'll tell you right now, this is a heavy son of a gun, and it is gonna shave some weight for us. So that's a plus. Now guys, you know what we can do with this muffler right here? This is a heavy pile of crap. Go ahead and throw it out the window. All right guys, so your muffler is gonna come with a hardware kit, and you're gonna get a nut and a bolt, 2 of them, and that's what's gonna hold on your muffler mounts right here. We were not gonna wanna tighten those up just yet until the muffler is on there, then we'll tighten it up. So let's get that put on there. Set it up here, just like so. All right, so next up, we'll have to tighten up this bottom mount. Now, we did have to tweak these a little bit. I'm assuming it's from welding and they shrinking in. Next up, we're gonna put on our pipe, but you're gonna wanna inspect your donut gasket. Mine is brand new. Looks a little rough for being brand new, but it's pretty usable, it's good. We're gonna put that back on there. And what we're gonna do, come with new bolts, so we're gonna go ahead and use those. I'm gonna go ahead, get them started on there. We're gonna go ahead and get this twisted into place before we fully tighten that up, just like so. All right, we'll get this clamp a little snug down, then we'll go ahead and put our other bolt in. All right, those are in. We're going to get a 13 millimeter wrench or socket, whatever you prefer, and we're going to tighten down this clamp so it seals against this muffler. All right, now if that's tight, we're going to go ahead and tighten up these. We're going to need a 13 millimeter socket and a 12 millimeter wrench. Now that we got that installed, we all know what time it is. Oh yeah! That sounds good. Well, I do like the sound of that. That sounds good. It's not obnoxious loud. It's not, too loud. It's just perfect. It's the perfect sound. Makes it sound nasty without sounding like it's at the drag strip, All right, guys. Now that we got that out of the way, we do have some other stuff coming performance-wise. Matter of fact, check out our website because it's already on there. We'll get videos on the web soon. Very soon. Check us out. Like, share, and subscribe if you like our Segway content, our Kawasaki content, our CF Moto content. We're taking out the U10 this weekend, so if you want to see that footage, definitely stick around, like, share, and subscribe. Leave us a comment below. Check out our website. Check out our merch. Check out our hats. Check out everything we've got to offer at www.rngperformance.net. Peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one.
Watch out.